Benchmarking social media in finance. This is what we do. Delighted and proud to do that. We started back in March 2009 to keep track of how and what financial institutions are doing on those channels, services, Twitter, Facebook, blogs, and YouTube. At the moment, we're tracking more than 2,300 initiatives worldwide in 68 countries, I believe, in total. And that gives us unique insights in terms of, okay, activity level on Facebook, when you're on Twitter, what's best practice? Do they tweet a lot? What's a lot? Is it once a day? Is it 20 times a day? How many people do I need in my team to do a good job on Twitter or on Facebook? Those are usually key issues you have, like limited resources, it's going to cost a lot of budget, lots of people, so time and resources. And can we do it? Which kind of initiatives? Is it more brand things? Is it customer support? Is it marketing? Is it communication? Is it products? And of course, ROI, is there an impact on my business? So that helps us basically and our clients to better understand what to do there. Just an example, this is available on my blog. It's of course publicly available and free and so on and so forth. You can check here, okay? VBTW for Visible Banking Twitter Watch. You'll have access to the slides, I insist. This is what I posted last month. And basically this is my top 10 of financial institutions on Twitter, okay? Out of more than 1,300 accounts in more than 6,500 to be precise. So you see here a few stats that's really, I think, useful. Well, this is, you see the geographical coverage, or see EMEA and North America. APAC is fairly smaller compared to the rest, but it's growing fast. Top 5 countries, and that's interesting again, which country. And you see here that in the last few months, you see South America, you see Venezuela, you see Asia, so Thailand, and Brazil against South America, picking up very quickly. Thailand again, SCB and so on, huge actually. The growth actually, the curve is like up the roof. So.
What's KBank doing exactly?
Well, so my level of Thai is a bit limited, but they've got a Twitter account and a Facebook page where it's generalist. It's not just for customer support, but they're communicating messages about the brand, specific initiatives through Twitter. I'll show you the page in a second. But most of it is in Thai, so.
Do you track anything else besides the number of followers? Any other dimensions?
Well, number of followers, activities, type of everything I could track on Twitter, which means again. And then I drill down for clients on specific things like content. Content is very important on Twitter, obviously. I can't stress it too much, enough. So then we would say, okay, your bank ABC, you're interested in bank DEF, and so on and so forth. Let's drill down to see what and how they produce content, those banks. I'm working with BNP Paribas quite closely, so I've done stuff for them, say, analyzing their tweets, and I show you some of that in my presentation. And you say, okay, you tweet just once a day, that's not good enough. Your call to action. Well, it's very important in social media, and especially on Twitter. Content strategy, call to action. Call to action is critical. It's good to send a tweet, okay? But what's next? Where do you want to direct people to? Your own assets, different assets, your website, your blog, and other social media initiative, call to action. And third is what I call know your followers. In another life, I used to work in anti-money laundering, quite far from social media. I see people rolling their eyes, it's true. And payments. So I tried KYC, know your customers. So I said know your followers and your fans. Very, very important. I guarantee you that 99% of the companies I meet with, they can't tell me, yes, we've got 10,000 Twitter followers. It's great. Yes. How many of them are good prospects for you? How many of them are clients? How many of them are robots, like totally like fake accounts? I mean, well, journalists, who are the most influentials? You have a strategy to build relationship with? Well, and you see people melting a bit. But that's very important. That will make the difference, and you will differentiate yourself from the competition. Guarantee you, yeah. Maybe not even 1% of those financial institutions there kind of tend to understand how to really leverage Twitter.